beautiful. You're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a hair review. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. We're almost at 4K guys, and remember there's gonna be a giveaway at 4K. So the hair is from Amazon, and I'm just gonna go briefly over what to expect. So the hair is from Carrotor Hair. Thank you so much, Carrotor Hair, for sponsoring this video, for sending over the hair. It's a bob wig. It's a hash blonde ombre wig, a 4x4 lace, 150 density, 12 inches, and the price was $118. So let's go ahead and open the package. I'm so happy when I get new hair. I just did this one like a couple days ago and I'm so ready to get rid of it. I'm gonna have so much hair by the time I'm finished with these videos. So this is the package right here. 12-inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and open. I just open it right here. Let me see. Can I open it like this? And I open it. Oh, at the back it tells you how to wash the hair. So how to wash the human hair wig. So your pre-wash care, rinse, shampoo, conditioner, and dry. How to do all of that. So how to prolong your lace wig lifespan. How often should I wash my human hair wig? How should I wash my wig before wearing it? So all of that info, if you have questions, all of those infos are at the back of the package. And then you can also follow them at Carrotor Hair on Facebook, Carrotor Hair on YouTube, and Carrotor Hair on Instagram. So now you get a stocking cap, and then this is the hair. So let me just go ahead and open the package and let you guys see it. So I'm gonna open it so you guys can. Ooh, yeah, nice. I like it. Okay. All right. Okay. It feels so soft. And I didn't even feel all of it yet. Ooh, butter. Ooh, yes. This is nice. Look at this. It's so nice. So nice. So nice. Oh my. The one thing I don't like is that you see the lace where like the parting and stuff, it's kind of too big, you know. Let me show you. But I guess because it already come pre-pluck and everything, so that's why it's like that. But I do like it though. I like it. This is gonna look so nice on me. Look at that. It's gonna be so nice on me. But yeah, so let me just show you the construction of the hair. Oops. And the construction is like almost all human hair. So this is 4x4 lace. It comes with 2 combs at the side, 1 at the middle, and 1 on the back, 2 adjustable straps. And this is the hair. It feels very soft, like silky soft. And ooh, it's gonna look so nice on me. Listen, girl. Let me go ahead and start installing this.
So I'm doing the same routine as I always do. Make sure that your hair is braided flat. I'm using my Ghost Bond glue, and I found this technique to be better, to just put it on top of the lace instead of under it. And then I'm using my blow dryer to make sure that it's dried properly. You want to make sure that it's clear before you put your wig on, because if you don't, it's going to start flaking. Take this from somebody who has done millions of wigs. Well, not millions, but you know what I mean. Been doing a lot of wig reviews and stuff. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my wig. I like side parts, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. The hair is very soft, there's no shedding, and it just matched my skin complexion perfectly.
Okay guys, so this is how it looking. I like it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I love this hair. It's so soft. Like, look at that, my finger is running through it. There's no shedding. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and lay it down. I'm gonna lay this down. I'm gonna lay this bad boy down. If I have squeegee, I can lay it down. Make sure you guys go ahead and like this video if you guys have not done so already. Will help the channel to grow even faster. So yeah. I don't know if I should put glue or I should put the thing on it. It's the spray. Use this side have no glue, so that's what I'm using. I'm gonna use this side. So y'all don't come for me in the comments. Which side you guys like better? You guys like the straight side or the curly, like wavy side, or the straight side better? I like the straight side.
So now I'm going to use my foundation to highlight the parting. So what I do, I just use the tail comb and then put it at the tip of the tail comb, and then just follow the line. If there is excess foundation on the wig, you can go ahead and use your mascara. You're gonna see me doing that shortly. So you can see right there, there is excess amount of foundation, so I'm going to be using my mascara to cover that up to make it look as neat as as neat as possibly. And yeah, just to make it look more professional. So look how that lace melt into my skin. So recently I started using the Got To Be glue even more than how I've been using the Ghost Bond glue, and I've come to like it better. It's easier to remove, your lace lasts longer, so your wig lasts longer, instead of using the Got To Be glue, you know. And sometimes when you use the Got To Be glue, it leaves your hair flaky if the glue is not dried properly. But with the Got To Be glue, you don't have to worry about that. And just look at how much the lace is laid. There is no sign of lace showing. You don't have to worry about anything like that. My hair came out perfectly. I love the color. I love the parting, the side parts. Everything just was perfect.
Okay guys, so this is how the hair is looking. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how the hair look, like how everything look after I get dressed up, you know, dolled up and everything. But this is how the hair is looking. I really like it. It's very soft. The color match my skin complexion, so I really like that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, why am I saying that? I'm gonna come back, so you guys better wait a little bit, because I'm gonna come back and show you guys when I put my makeup on, and you know, I glammed up and everything. But here, I think it's right here. So hit that like button and leave a comment down below. That's how it's looking. So make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.